Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. If you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who wants to leave the country but has two open cases in court. Let's see. I have an emergency and need to leave the country, but I have two open cases, one of domestic violence and another for DUI. Well, generally speaking, if you have not yet been convicted of the offense, you can leave and come back into the country, provided that the judge did not issue an order indicating that you could not leave the county or state or whatnot. But barring an order where the judge stated that you cannot leave a county or the state, you should be able to go in and out of the country. But I must preface this with something. Even though you can leave the country, do not ignore your court dates. Don't just say, oh, well, I'm going to leave the country on an emergency and I'll deal with court when I get back. No. Because if you don't go to court, the judge will issue a warrant. And if that happens, then when you come back into the country, they will just grab you at the airport and hold you. And more likely, you're going to be sent to a different county, the county where your case is pending. And you could be held sometimes for a couple of weeks waiting in a county until they transport you to the other county or until the other county picks you up. So make sure that if you have to leave the country, make sure you let your criminal attorney know that you're leaving the country so that at the very least the attorney can appear and you could let the judge know what the emergency is so that there could be a continuance without the issuance of the warrant. But don't just blow it off. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing what a victim must do in order to remove or modify a restraining order. See you on our next video.